Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today we'll be looking into how we can quickly create this smooth curved carousel using Figma. So, this is part of a new series that I would be starting where we'll be learning such simple stuffs that we can do in Figma in just 2 to 3 minutes. So, this video would be the part one of this particular series, and we'll be learning how we can create this smooth curved carousel using Figma. Yes, so let's jump into Figma right away, and this is how the end frame would look like once the changes are done. So I have just copied down into a new frame where the rest of the information can be modified based on your needs. So we'll be just focusing on how we can create the curved carousel in this video. So yeah, so first we will be using the rectangle to create a shape like this. Let's copy this down. Yes, and let's make multiple copies of the same thing. Yes. Yep. So once this is done, to make it visible, let's make the background as white, and let's select one. And I have already added the Unsplash plugin to this. So regarding this, I'll create a separate video on how we can add the Unsplash plugin, or you can just Google it down. It's simple itself. Yes, so let's search here. Since this is a plant uh, and pots buying platform, so I'll be using plants over here. Let's search. Yep. So let's just have to select, and it gets automatically updated within the frame. uh, yeah, so let's just select a couple of images as well. Yeah, so similarly we will be updating all these frames over here. Yes, so I have updated all the frames with the image that we want. So let's select all these things, command G. Let's group this into one thing, and let's move this into the frame that we have over here. So once that's done, let's add the layout. Let's make it clip content so that like this stays within the frame that we have over here. Yeah, so right now we have this. Let's make it a bit smaller. Yeah, so right now we have the frames and all those things being set it up correctly. uh, so now let's add the curve using the ellipse. So just have to make an ellipse like this, extend it over the frame, just copy down and make the similar changes in the bottom as well. Extend a bit. Yes. Yeah, so once that's done, select both the ellipses and make the background color as white. Yeah, so that's done. Now let's select the frame that we had created previously, go to prototype, and you can see overflowing scrolling, make it horizontal scrolling. And yes, we are done with uh, this thing. Let's try this out. Yep, so yeah, that's the output that we have and what we have created. Looks fine. Let me know if you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.